Okay, YouTubers, it's your boy Bunny Blade, aka Budget Dad, but you already know this. All right, well, today we're doing something kind of out of the ordinary. We're going to be doing some CC. CC? What's CC? Some cloud chasing. That's what we're going to be doing. Oh, yes. Actually, right now, driving, going through state to state. Coming back from a job, so I'm heading home, trying to find a nice place, a nice town, a nice spot to do some cloud chasing. Now, the first thing is, whichever town, whichever state I decide to do this, when I stop and pull over, I need to Google the town and the state that I'm in, the laws on flying a drone into the clouds in that particular state or city. That's the first thing. You want to make sure whatever we're doing, it's we're complying with the law and we're being safe. As long as we're complying with the law and we're being safe, we're gonna do it. Oh yes. So we're gonna find a spot and we're gonna do this. So we're out. Okay, YouTubers, so how do we go about chasing clouds? Let's take a look at this big one above us. This might be a perfect one, but you know what? It's too large. You cannot see what's above it. You cannot see, well, you probably could see oncoming traffic, but you just can't see if something is descending from such a large cloud. So we'll stay away from that. What our target should be something like this one here. Okay. As far as descending, I'm quite sure something could be descending from outer space or something like that that's not visible to me, but the chances of that is pretty much small. I can pretty much see in front, on the side, in the back. I can pretty much see if a plane or a flying object were entering that cloud. I would be able to see it before it enters in the cloud. The importance of that is if I put my drone up in that cloud, I may not be able to see what's there in the cloud or coming on to the cloud, coming into the cloud. So you need a small cloud where you could see right around it. Okay, and make a good judgment that there's not a plane doesn't descend up and down, but a helicopter can be coming straight up or down. That's the only thing that might be able to slip my view on a helicopter that's coming or an object that's descending straight, coming straight down. Besides that, I could see in front or behind. So that's our ideal target. Not that exact cloud, because it's pretty much past, but something similar to that. Okay, let's see if we could set up and find something like that to explore.